Hello everyone.
Hello.
You know who I am?
Becky! Becky!
Which?
Becky?
Which?
Lady Gaga? Who are they? Are they as beautiful as I am? Are they as charming as I am? No, I don't think so. Let me give you a tip. Do you know what this is? Yes, it's a lamp. But it's not an ordinary lamp. It's a charmed magic lamp that allows you to make 3 wishes. And I am the genie from this lamp. The spirit has a magic power. A genie is usually a big, strong, ugly lamp. But because this lamp belongs to Miss Maurice Kwong, my master here, so the genie from this lamp is a beautiful woman like me. Now you might ask why you're here. I am here because Mr. Maurice Kwong made 3 wishes to me last year. The first wish was 7% growth for the company. I said, it's a piece of cake. The second wish was more interface for the colleagues. Again, I said, no problem. And the last and the most important wish was, oh, I can't tell you here. It's a secret. You still want to know?
Yeah.
Yes!
Okay. As I'm such a nice Jenny, I will show you something, but you need to guess by yourself. Girls, it's show time! Thank you, gorgeous. Now you all see what Morris' last wish was, right? What the wish was?
Crazy.
I heard sexy and I heard beauty. You are so superficial. You're all wrong. His last wish actually was wishing you a great night tonight. And I think I just made this wish come true. Do you think so? Yes! Okay, everyone. 7%, 8%, happy